Hello guys, welcome to my channel SimpleCLab. In today's video, I will show you how to run and compile a C program without using any IDE. Okay, here I am using bracket editor. It's not a IDE at all. It is used for many purposes like to write code for HTML, Python, CSS, but remember it is just like a text editor. Okay, it is just like a text editor. It's not an special IDE to run C programs. Okay, you can also write down your code using other text editors like Notepad, Notepad, Notepad plus plus. Here, like I have already mm, installed Notepad plus plus. I have already Notepad. You can write down your code using Notepad, Notepad plus plus, etc. It doesn't matter at all. You can use any of the text editors. Here I am using brackets. Let me proceed further. Let me create a new file, name this first, and please notice that I am saving this file in the dntfs directory. In the D directory I am naming this file as product.c. Now you can notice that I have given the name .c because .c is the extension name for any C programming files. Okay, .c is important. It is to be added for every C programming files. Remember, .c is very important. Without the .c extension, your code will not be run and you will get a error. Okay, so don't forget to give the .c extension. Now save this. Here you can see product.c and it's showing a C. It means it's a C programming file. Okay, let me write down the code first. Sorry, these are the header files, include stdio.h and include conio.h. These are the header files which I have already discussed in my previous videos. If you haven't seen, you can go for that videos and see that videos first. And now let me write down the function name, which is of integer type, curly braces. Within this curly braces I want to write a code for multiplication of two integer numbers. So for integer number we have to declare it as int a b and mult enter the value to a scanf function to read the input from the user. I have already discussed this topic in my previous videos. I don't want to waste my time by typing again and again. Let me just copy this and paste it here. Just change this as B and read this as B. Now write down the formula for multiplication, which is A multiplied B. Print the output. We have to generate a new line for new line slash n. The sorry the multiplication of A and B is mult. Okay, now save this file again. Now you have to, if you have finished writing your code, you have to open your command prompt. To complete your code, you just pause the video and complete your code, and then open the command prompt by typing cmd, just like this. Now I have previously told you that I have saved this product.c file in D directory, so I have to change the path here. Sorry. Now you have to write a special line of code which is gcc minus o name of that file without any extension. Now again name of that file with the extension. Now run the code. Okay, now let me open the D directory. I have to show you something. Where is the product? Here it is. Here it is. You can see .c file. It's a .c file, and the product, it means it has generated a executable file. It is a executable file. This product is a executable file. To run this product, you have to just write down the name of that file without any extension. Remember, without any extension. Just press enter. Here it is. It's giving output, enter the value to a. Here it is, enter the value to a. Now I'm giving a value to a which is 4, and the scanf function reads the input a which is 4 I have given, and enter the value to b, let us say 6. While I'm press enter, you can see the multiplication of, sorry, I have got a error here, printing error, which is %d and %d. Oh, let me correct this first. It should be %d. Save it again. Now run the code and run the code again. Enter the value to a 4, enter the value to b 6. Here it is. You can see now multiplication of 4 and 6. Multiplication of 4 and 6 is 24, which is multiplication of %d and %d is 24. Okay. Now you may have raised a question in your mind. What is gcc minus o product.c? gcc is a program application which you have to install to run this C program file. Okay, you can install gcc simply by typing in Google gcc. Okay, just install it and go further. See you guys in the next video. In the next video I will discuss about functions.